On August 12, 2025, a routine stop for expired plates and a stolen pressure washer took a violent turn when a passenger named Holly decided to trade a traffic ticket for a felony assault.
I'm doing good.
The reason I stopped is age got expired plates on this car.
Listen,
okay.
It's a customer's car. I just picked it up. I'm doing work for him. I understand.
All right, see driver's license, please, proof of insurance.
One with me. Listen, I ain't gonna lie to you. I'm not gonna lie to you. Just give me a break.
Well, we'll discuss that in a moment. All right, you can have this back.
Okay.
Miss, you have no ID on you?
I'm gonna look at you. Run him.
Well, what's your social security number?
I don't know my number. I had a stroke.
Working to get it back. I'm a single father. I'm doing what I can.
All right, you have any ID whatsoever?
Just credit cards with my name on them. And I got it unpaid. It's gonna show up in warrant.
So neither of you are carrying any ID on you?
I got my credit cards with my name on them. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Well, I could have credit cards with somebody's name on them too.
Right. I got a social security card here.
So let me see what you got there as far as ID. Do you have some ID on you, ma'am?
Yeah, she does.
Can I see some ID, please?
I don't have it. I do not have a card.
I got my gas fuel cards, social security card, my direct express card. I mean, like I said, if you run me, it's gonna come back with a warrant, man.
And you're David?
Yes, sir.
Wanted out of the sheriff's office. He's got all kind of warrants. He's got to have like 4 of them. Sheriff's office, Twinsburg, Parma, Morgan County, SR. Call Rocky River Home Depot.
Calling the Home Depot. This call may be recorded. Tell me how I can help.
Customer service. Customer service.
I had a stroke about a year ago.
Let me give you one chance. I'm going to give you one chance, all right? Don't lie to me about who you are.
Okay.
All right?
Yes.
This is your only chance to be truthful. You got it? What's your name?
Holly.
Holly what? Holly what? I'll be right with you. Hold on, please.
To connect you to the right person, briefly describe what you're calling about.
Manager. Store manager.
I'll connect you with someone who can help.
I hate these voice prompts. Hi, this is the Rocky River. Hi, it's the Rocky River Police Department.
Yes?
We're out with somebody. Did you guys just have somebody walk out the doors with a pressure washer?
Oh.
We just stopped the car like 5 minutes ago, and they got a brand new pressure washer, and I don't believe he has a receipt.
Hey, get over here.
He would have just left your store within the last 10 minutes.
Okay, let me check with another register. Hold on one second.
Did you see him come out? Yeah, I saw him come out carrying that. I was sitting over by the garden center watching him.
No one saw anything, so he might have been very sneaky. It could have happened when he walked by, yeah.
All right, thanks.
Where are you going to go? Where do you think you're going to go? You better... Get on the ground right now. Get on the ground.
The situation exploded the moment Holly grabbed a heavy jack handle and struck an officer in the head, transforming a simple warrant check into a desperate struggle for control.
3D radio, give me another car. I got this female fighting with 9.
Get up here, I can't breathe. Get up here, I can't breathe.
Lay down. Lay down.
I can't breathe. Please stop.
23, we're at Aldi's.
Lay
Hands behind
down.
your back.
Please stop. I can't breathe. Stop.
You can breathe fine.
No.
I have female fighting with one of my officers in all these parking lot.
Stop. I said stop.
Don't move.
Hand behind your back right now.
Stop, please.
Get your hand behind your back right now. Lay down.
Please stop. This story's going a second. Stop.
You just picked up a felony.
Please stop. 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 Stop.
Put your hand behind your back right now.
Stop.
Hand behind your back right now.
Stop. Okay. Sir, stop. Stop.
You got her?
Yeah. You're not bleeding, am I? She whacked me in the temple with that thing.
No.
I gotta go to hospital.
Flip over behind your back.
No. I have to go to hospital. Ma'am, call 911, please. Please.
Go ahead, come.
No.
Do not resist.
Please, come back.
Do not resist.
Let me out, please! Oh, please! Please!
Stand up. You got it? We're not going to play games. Let's go. You just picked up a felony. Assault on a police officer. Get in the car. Sit in the car.
You got her in the car. Okay. All right.
Were you in this car, ma'am? Are you okay? Did she say anything to you, or? Okay. All right, don't go anywhere till I can ID you, okay? Thanks. You all right?
That lady in that Mercedes, can I get a statement from her? Yeah. This girl tried to jump in her passenger seat. No, it was straightforward. She just jumped out of the car, took off with a jack handle in her.
Now, I'm sure you're aware of your warrants, right?
Yeah.
All right, step on out.
So what do
set everything up here.
What do I have for warrants?
Okay. All right, you got a bunch of them. All right, I'm sure you're aware. Leave everything up on the hood.
All right, Nick.
All right, everything up there. All right.
In her hand and turned around, swung at me, clipped me in the side of the head, and tried to get in that car, and that's about it.
All right, we got to get him out of the car. He's got warrants as well. Then we'll go from there.
You send fire up here to all.
All right.
So what is all my warrants for?
You have too many to list.
No, ain't no way.
Oh, you've got at least 4 of them.
It's got to be Dave Jr. Ain't no way I got 4.
Your picture. We'll get it in a minute.
All right. So what's my warrant? I don't know.
You got numerous warrants.
What do you mean by numerous, though? There's only 2 that I know. No, sir.
Anything I'm going to get stuck with?
Nope.
Any weapons in the car?
Nope. I don't play like that.
No weapons, all right? Anything in the car you're not supposed to have? Drugs, needles?
No, hell no.
All right? Well, I can tell she's on something, all right? I don't want to, listen, you're with her, all right? So you know what she's doing. I don't want one of these guys to get poked when we start looking in the car.
Oh, no, you ain't got to worry about that.
Have a seat.
The date was August 12, 2025, and at 2:35 p.m., a routine traffic stop for expired plates quickly escalated into a violent felony encounter. When officers pulled over David and Holly, the situation initially centered on David's lack of a license and a suspected stolen pressure washer from a nearby Home Depot. However, the atmosphere shifted instantly when the passenger, Holly, decided to take matters into her own hands. As officers confirmed David's outstanding warrants, Holly attempted to flee the scene, wielding a heavy jack handle. In a shocking moment of violence, she struck an officer in the head with the tool. A desperate struggle ensued before backup arrived to successfully apprehend her. Holly was hit with a barrage of charges, including assault on a peace officer and possession of drug abuse instruments. She was ultimately sentenced to up to 4.5 years in prison, proving that a split-second decision to resist can lead to years behind bars. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of police encounters with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.